Hi everyone, this is Queen Sua. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do something different. I know as a mother, you basically devote your time to your little one or to your husband, but sometimes we forget to pamper ourselves. So for today, I'm going to do a demo on a very popular mask, which is a magnetic mask. Now, there are several brands that hold these type of masks, but I decided to try the e.l.f. mask, which is pretty affordable. As opposed to all the other brands that I've been searching up. So this one was $24. No, I am not being sponsored by this. This was paid by my own money, and I wanted to give it a try. Well, my husband's money, and I wanted to give it a try, so oh my god, baby. So I'm gonna get a little closer, maybe a little too close to your face, but let's try it. And I'm gonna make sure that I don't have anything on my face. Okay, so this e.l.f. mask is a magnetic mask. It says that it is combined with powerful magnetic properties and key antioxidants, carrot seed oil, sunflower seed oil, vitamin C, vitamin E, and argan oil to replenish your skin and help protect against everyday environmental aggressors. The magnetic tool and iron-based formula work together to visibly lift away surface impurities and minimize the appearance of pores. Skin is left feeling soft and recharged for a smooth makeup canvas. So it comes in this beautiful packaging. So it comes with a wand looking tool and a recharging magnetic mask. Okay, the directions say that with the scoop side of the magnetic tool, apply mask to a clean, dry face, avoiding eye area, and then I'm supposed to leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. So, guessing this side is the scoop. Can you see the product, babe? Oh, my baby. Okay, so this is what it comes in. It's a pretty nice packaging. Oh, wow. So it's this very dark gray mask. Now I'm actually gonna get a mirror to make sure that I apply it at the right places. So, okay, so if I look down a lot, that's because I am using my mini iPad to use it as a mirror since I couldn't find a mirror. So with the scoop, I am going to, whoa, this is crazy. Whip out a little bit of the magnetic mask. Okay.
Okay.
So it kind of feels like a, oh wow. It has like an orange scent to it. It kind of feels like a regular mask when you apply it. Okay, so I finished applying the magnetic mask to my face, and I can tell you that it is starting to tingle. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Some say that it feels that if it tingles, that's because it's working. Others say that if it tingles, it's because it's irritating your skin. So we shall see. And yes, I do have some mask on my eyebrow. So 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be back. Holy moly.
2,000 years later.
So here's a quick update for you. I have the mask on. My husband says it smells like tangerine. So it has this fruit smell to it. I did notice that the face mask was tightening a bit, but it didn't stiffen up all the way where I can't smile or anything like that. One more thing I forgot to mention is that I went back to the box and I was reading on how to take off the mask, and it did say that I'm supposed to cover the head of the magnetic tool in one of the included magnet covers for mess-free mask removal. So it did have these little covers. There are 20 covers in each, so you can use it 20 times. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to place a cover. It's just a plastic cover, so if you do run out of this, you can easily just use a saran wrap, I'm guessing. Before I do remove my mask, it has been 10 minutes. I wanted to show you how much product is left. So there's a good amount of product left. And here we begin. So if I look down, I am so sorry. It's because I do have my view down here and I want to make sure that I can see what I'm doing. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to start. I'm excited. What in the world? I feel like someone removed like tape, but like the cheapy tape where it doesn't hurt. Can you see that? Can you see it, honey? So as you can see, I am not touching my face with the magnetic tool. I am actually just hovering over it. And I gotta say that this feels pretty good. Oh my gosh, look at how this looks. Can you see it? Like, does it focus? So look at that. That's kind of cool, but at the same time kind of looks gross. Looks like a lot of little hair follicles. Oops. Oh my god. Actually, it feels like one of those, I don't know if you guys, whoa, my face does look a little red. I don't know if you guys, tried the masks where it's kind of like a glue. And you put it on and you take it off. This is so cool. What? Now I feel the little magnetic, what do we call them? Follicles? I feel them kind of brushing my face. Okay, so I managed to take this much. Now I'm actually gonna see if I can turn it. Wow, this is kind of hard. Oh, snaps. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this. As you can see, can you see it? It picked up quite a lot of the mask. So I'm just gonna remove it this way, and it is kind of tugging on it. So this is what I took off. I'm gonna use another plastic cover, put it on, and remove the other side. So this does not hurt at all. But I do find that my face looks a little red. And to me, I've heard other reviews that the tingling came off after a while. To me, it tingled out through those 10 minutes. Wow. That is crazy. So maybe I used a little too much, but I'm already filling up this cover. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off and then I'll come back. So I went ahead and I removed the rest of the product with a wipe because I think I did get it a little too close to my eyes and it just wasn't picking up. The last little baggie picked up this much. As you can see, it's not as much. I don't know if the magnetic tool wasn't as strong or if I had just put it too close to places where it couldn't pick up. Overall, I think this was a fun experience. I do see that my face did turn a little bit red around the cheeks, but it doesn't burn. It just looks red. I would like to give a shout out to Susie for telling me to review this awesome product. I had a lot of fun, and like I said, being a mother, it takes a lot of your time, and it's good once in a while to pamper yourself. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you press the like button down there, subscribe for more, and let me know if you want to see more videos like this or if there's any products that you want me to try. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Bye! So before I leave, I do want to say that my face does feel smoother. About the whole cleanliness and everything, I didn't see much of a difference. I still see my pores and stuff like that, but just a little update. So, as I said, I am not being sponsored by e.l.f, but I do have a $5 off coupon for you, and I'll put down the link below. Also, when I purchased this magnetic mask, I did get, because of purchasing $25 or more, even though the mask was $24, so I ended up spending $25 with another product. They did give me a free, 3 free products, a free gift. I'm gonna give one of you guys the opportunity to win this because I'm really not gonna use it. So this is a bronzing brush, a natural matte lip color, and a bronzer palette in the Bronze Beauty shade. So if you guys want to win this, you do have to be subscribed to my channel. Make sure you like this video, and what else, babe? What should they comment? And comment down what video you want to see next. That's all you have to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!